Hi everyone, welcome back to Softtrix, your go-to channel for tech insights and digital innovation. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of blockchain, exploring two of its hottest topics, NFTs and cryptocurrencies. What's the difference between the two? Which one's better for you? Stick around to find out. Before we jump in, let's quickly understand the foundation of both. Blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized, transparent ledger technology that powers everything from Bitcoin to digital art. It's the backbone of both NFTs and cryptocurrencies, enabling secure transactions without intermediaries like banks. But while both NFTs and cryptocurrencies rely on blockchain, they serve very different purposes. Let's break it down. What are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies designed to function as a medium of exchange. Think of them like digital money. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin are some popular examples. You can use them to buy goods, invest, or transfer value globally. Key features of cryptocurrency. Fungible. One Bitcoin equal to one Bitcoin. Focused on value exchange, tradable on crypto exchanges. In a sense, cryptocurrencies aim to replace traditional money with decentralized, borderless alternative. What are NFTs? NFTs or non-fungible tokens are unique digital assets that represent ownership of a specific item like artwork, music, videos, or even virtual real estate. Unlike cryptocurrencies, NFTs are non-fungible, meaning each one is unique and cannot be exchanged on a one-to-one basis. Key features of NFTs. Unique. No two NFTs are identical. Proof of ownership for digital or physical assets. Primarily used for collectibles and creative works. So, while Bitcoin is like your digital wallet, an NFT is more like owning a rare trading card or a signed painting. Now let's talk about how they are different. Let's compare NFTs and cryptocurrencies side by side to understand their differences in the given chart shown on the screen. To put it simply, cryptocurrencies are like digital cash and NFTs are like digital deeds or collectibles. Now let's talk about the benefits and risks of each. Both NFTs and cryptocurrencies have their pros and cons. Let's start with cryptocurrencies. Benefits of cryptocurrencies. Decentralized and secure. Easy global transaction. High liquidity. And the risks are market volatility, regulatory uncertainty. Now, here's the rundown for NFTs. First, the benefits of NFTs. Verifiable ownership. Supports creators with royalties. Growing use cases in gaming and metaverse. Now, the risks involved. Speculative value. Environmental concerns due to blockchain energy use. Remember, both NFTs and cryptocurrencies require a clear understanding before investing. Always do your research. Which one is right for you? Still confused? Here's a quick guide to help you decide. If you're looking to invest or trade value, cryptocurrencies might be your best bet. But if you're an artist, gamer, or collector, NFTs could open up exciting opportunities. At the end of the day, it all depends on your goals and interests. Both NFTs and cryptocurrencies have their own appeal and risk, so choose wisely. And that's it for today's episode from Softtrix. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech insights. Let us know in the comments, are you a team crypto or team NFT? We'll see you next time. Thank you.